Welcome to the Rapaport Market Comment. This video is brought to you by RapNet, the world's largest and most trusted diamond trading network. The US has become an increasingly important market since the difficulties in Chinese demand, which we've explained in two recent videos. So how is that US market doing at the moment? I want to pick out some trends at the retail and dealer levels and raise an observation that I've heard from some people about lab-grown diamonds. On the retail side, demand is soft at the moment. The holidays were decent but not wonderful. US consumer confidence increased in January according to the Conference Board, a source of economic data. But now consumers are unsure where the economy is headed, despite the fact that the economy often improves in an election year. Interest rates are still very high, which means people are paying more for their debt and have less money available to spend on luxuries. This is translated into weak demand on the trade side, as retailers are putting in fewer orders than normal for this time of year. Dealers are reporting sluggish demand, as we reported on Rapaport.com. There's little appetite to buy for inventory, so retailers are buying on memo, meaning they only make the final purchase and pay once they have sold the diamond themselves. The idea is to have stock only for immediate orders. On the other hand, dealers reported growth in polished prices because supply is tight. The market is still feeling the effects of India's 2-month voluntary freeze on rough imports, which ended on December the 15th. India has resumed strong levels of production. Its rough imports rose 43% year-on-year to $1.17 billion in January. But that rough hasn't reached the market yet as polished. Partly due to the shortages, Indian suppliers have increased their prices for many categories. So where there is US demand, dealers are finding there's a lack of goods at the prices they're willing to pay. A final point about lab-grown diamonds. A number of dealers mentioned that they feel less competition from lab-grown diamonds because prices are tumbling and consumers are starting to realise they don't hold their value. This may be unrepresentative of the wider industry's views, but it's something for the natural diamond trade to be optimistic about as 2024 gets into gear. How do you think consumers will perceive lab-grown diamonds this year? If you like this video, please subscribe to get every new one we make on a weekly basis discussing trends and analysis in the diamond industry. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the week.